Look at part 1. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Many children came to our boot camp this year.
That's right.
What's that girl's name?
You mean the girl who is jumping over the tires?
Yes, she has short hair and looks excited.
I don't know that girl, but I know the girl behind her.
The one with long hair?
Yes, that's Sophia. She looks tired.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
1,
Look, 2 boys are carrying a big tire. It is too heavy for them.
Yes, they are working very hard.
Do you know any of them?
Oh yes, the fat boy is called Peter. He can play the guitar very well.
Really? You should ask him to join the performance on the final day of boot camp.
2,
Look! Mr. Stamp is here, under the tree and watching the kids.
He's new. I don't know him. He is the man who has a moustache, isn't he?
No, he doesn't have a moustache. He's clapping his hands.
How about the man next to him?
I don't know that man. He looks strict, right?
3,
Oh, that's Holly.
Where is she?
She is pulling a tire over there.
She is trying really hard.
I like her hat's color, blue.
4,
I think the most difficult part of this activity is climbing the net.
I agree, but Lucky is doing very well.
Lucky?
I mean the girl who is trying to get the flag.
Oh yes, she looks brave.
5,
Do you know the boy over there?
Which boy?
He is waving a flag to cheer everyone up.
Oh, that's William. He fell over yesterday and his leg is hurt.
Oh dear. So he can't join the activity today.